Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking again about the Angarak Yoga till the 14th April 2021. It has created hell already on earth, and even after the change of nakshatra of Mars into Mrigshira and Jupiter in Dhanishta and planets in earthy signs can give rise to earthquakes, and especially when a planet is changing the sign or just before he's changing the sign, there can be earthquakes. So I've already mentioned, I'll just read out this article. I have written more than 15 articles on Angarak Yoga, which is found by the conjunction of Mars and Rahu in any sign, and especially in the present context, it is in a earthy sign. In the present context in earthy sign Taurus, and has aspects of debilitated Jupiter from earthy sign Capricorn. Mars and Rahu will remain in Taurus till 14th April 2021, and Jupiter will give the aspect on this conjunction on the 6th till the 6th April 2021. Most venomous. Now see what is all is happening in the world. I've tabulated what all is happening in the world, and earthquakes of magnitude may ride the world, especially near the coastal areas Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Greece, Himalaya terrain. Note this, the time frame from the 25th April to 16th May 2021 is also most enigmatic for the globe due to the Veda between Mars and Saturn as per the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, as has been discussed in all my articles, especially when Mars is giving 8th aspect on Saturn in the earthy sign from the 14th April 2021. And then Jupiter will also be aspecting Mars from, and both will be in Aries sign, and the aspect, and both will be in and then Mars will go in Rahu Nakshatra. So all this is a lot of complications which are coming up, and seems that things are not going to be good. So I have given Uttarakhand witnessing unprecedented forest fires. Chhattisgarh 21 Jawans missing after deadly encounter with Naxals. Mumbai over 600 buildings, 7,500 floors sealed. BMC says majority of cases are from high-rise buildings. 5.9 magnitude quake hits eastern Indonesia. I had mentioned already about Indonesia, and I've also already mentioned near the coastal areas. There can be such more happenings and earthquakes of magnitude. Sri Lanka terror attack. See, Mars, when it was in at 19 degrees on 21st April 2019, again on the Easter, there were serial of blasts, and again now Mars and Rahu forming Angarak Yoga in Taurus sign is bad for Sri Lanka, and again terror attack bombing shook Sri Lanka's scene of security. 10 killed in suicide bomb attack in Somali capital. Sukarma encounter. Delhi toll fear to rise as 15 Jawans go missing after gun battle with Naxals. Mumbai daily COVID-19 cases cross 9,000. What can be done to curb the virus spread? A deadly fight from Mozambique, jihad attack. COVID-19 lockdown 2021. India highlights. Mumbai reports 9,090 fresh cases. Odisha to impose night curfew in the districts. State of emergency over Florida. Toxic water leak. Myanmar death toll edges up to 550 as online crackdown tightens. India expresses grief over deadly train accident in Taiwan. We all know about the Taiwan accident. With 93,249 new COVID cases, 513 deaths, India tally over 12.4 million. Train crash claims 50 lives in Taiwan. Now read all my articles on the Angara Kyog. I when the link, you can go through it. I've written 15 articles. COVID pandemic peaks in Eastern Europe. US halts vaccine plant. UK cities 7 clot deaths. Virus update. Canada virus tally passes 1 million in third wave of pandemic. Thousands of houses still submerged in Indonesia. So, Suez Canal crisis. Coronavirus puts its foot on full throttle as predicted. The burning question is when it will get relief. I've given this is a separate article, you can go through it. Astrology speaks loudly. Australia falls prey of Angara Kyog. 26 March to 2nd April, Red Planet Mars on Wheel, parallel to Indian Rebellion, 1957 Sri Lanka Easter bombings, and again it has happened. And there you are. So all what has been predicted is proving spot on, and the period till 14th April 2021 is not a good one. Mars is energy and fire, and Rahu is oil. And friends, it is explosion, volcanic eruptions. And then if you take the aspects of Rahu and Ketu, then there is aspect of Rahu on Saturn and Ketu or the aspect of Ketu on Mars. So friends, after they shift in the signs, as I've already explained in my articles. Rahu is having aspect. Rahu is giving an aspect on Saturn, and right now Ketu gives an aspect on Mars in the Angarak Yoga, and it is not good. So friends, this is all just wanted to share, and things are not pretty good, and let's hope things go better. But I'm afraid to say it is not a good time. Nature is bent upon teaching lessons to the mankind. So this is all I wanted to share, and especially the sign Taurus, the countries governed by the sign Taurus, and the earthy signs where more planets are in the earthy signs, those countries will have more earthquakes. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends, and thank you for listening to me, and have a good day.